Hi, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, you learn how to modify an import macro so you can import additional fields. In this example, I want to import a custom account field I created called Customer Rating. I start by adding the field to the account import macro I downloaded from my Oracle support. You want to add the field as the last column in the file, so let's scroll and unhide any hidden columns to make sure. Now enter the field name in the header row and save. We're not done yet. You must also add the field to the account import mapping. For accounts, I first import the mapping I downloaded along with the macro. I navigate to the Setup and Maintenance work area, click Data Import and Export, and open the Manage File Import Mappings task. I import the mapping from my desktop. I open it and unlock to edit. Because I'm adding the field at the end of the mapping, I scroll down. There are 32 rows for accounts, so I'm adding row 33. I click Create to add a new row, enter 33 as the sequence and the field name. To map the row to the application, you may have to hunt around a bit. The import fields are organized by objects that are more granular than those in Application Composer. I created the custom rating field in Application Composer under the account object, but here I must select the organization profile object instead. Here's the customer rating field. We're done, but before you save, be sure to copy the mapping number. You must enter this number in the macro before you import. Thank you.